What's the meaning of arcade? Arcade. Arcade.
Arcade. Arcade. Arcade refers to a place where people can play games, especially electronic or video games. It typically consists of a variety of game machines that are coin-operated and allow players to engage in fun and interactive gameplay. Arcades have been popular since their introduction in the 1970s and continue to attract people of all ages today. They provide a social environment for gamers to compete against each other or simply have fun. The popularity of arcades has also led to the development of home gaming consoles and online gaming platforms.